Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I've got a little bit of a 2-for-1. I got a mail call from my buddy Isamo Sushi, and he hooked me up with one of his amazing poker chips. I think it's so cool. It's got a little QR on the back, one of his holographic stickers, and then one of these matte ones. Love that logo, man. Love it. All right, so that is first part. Sushi, thank you so much, man, for all of this. And I'm gonna get your chip right over here. I need to get this Yale picked and this cam picked so they're out of the way. And this guy is just kicking my butt. Kicking my butt. Okay. And then the next part is some scores from my locksmith buddy. So, one of them is probably going to be a temporary keep or borrow, whatever you want to call it. But it is this guy. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at it. So pretty. So I actually am going to take these Allens loose, unscrew this mortise out of there, and play around with it. So that is one. Number two is a Brinks that got cut. I guess whenever I got there, somebody was in the back trying to pick it and play around with it a little bit, so he just gave it to me. So two more. These guys, Almont Rekey. Never heard of it, but I am interested in playing with it. It is a Rekey, so I'm gonna need to do some research on those. See what we got going on here. But I got two of those guys, so that's pretty cool. And then the last one was just a master directional, and honestly, he said it's trash, so I might actually do a little bit of a cutaway or just take it apart and see what the insides look like, because I've never actually looked to see what they look like. But anyways, that's it for that. It's kind of it for this video, actually. I'm gonna go and pick this guy because he decided to be a pain at the locksmith shop. Actually, you know what? Let's see whether or not I can pull this off real quick, because while I was at the shop, I was sitting there trying to pick it, but it was one of those little folder sets, and decided to not cooperate with me at all. All right, let's try this again. Like, I can tell that I'm getting a lot of lift. There we go, that's a full set. Where is it? Where's that one? I wonder if I'm not getting enough lift. Oh, oh, false set. There we go. Good Lord. Hey! Woohoo! Anyways, oh, I need to turn the lock off. There we go. Anyways, so, yeah, turned into a really long video. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, that's all I got for this one. Sushi, thank you again so much for the poker chip and the stickers. Greg's Locksmith, Greg's Lock and Key, thank you so much for letting me borrow a bunch of fun stuff to play around with, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.